Fresh tomatoes, garlic, onions, mushrooms, spaghetti. What could go wrong? This is vegetarian, it's vegan, it's beautiful, it's easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here are 300 grams of fresh mushrooms. I've just kind of cut them quite big, like kind of halved and quartered them. 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now that's a hot paprika, so it's a little bit like chili powder. You can adjust that, use a sweet one, or change both of these, in fact, if you want, to something like rosemary, basil, or marjoram, something like that. And then here I've got some garlic. There's about 4 or 5 cloves there sliced. And in there I've got tomatoes. That's fresh tomato. There's about 3 cups there in total. And I just put them into my food processor and mashed them up. If you want, you can just chop fresh tomatoes a little bit smaller. So you're gonna need a skillet, pan or something, or a kind of little wokky thing like this. I've got some olive oil in there, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The heat's just been put on above medium. We're gonna go in with the 1 cup of onion, about a tablespoon of sliced or chopped garlic. I'm now gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And then we're gonna go for just about 3 minutes or so. Wonderful stuff. Next up, we're gonna add the fresh tomatoes. And like I say, I sometimes do this because we get quite a lot of bulk vegetables in. I will make a big bowl of this, you know, because it works in different recipes that I'm cooking here. So chop them up, put them into a food processor and kind of made them into a bit of a paste there. Now if you want, you could go for a can or tin tomatoes. Not quite the same, I don't think. In fact, it's not the same at all really, but if you want, you can do that. But I think the fresh tomatoes in this one works really well. Okay, stay on this vibrant heat. Let's go for about 4 minutes. So that's just about 4 minutes there, and that's beautiful. Next up, we're gonna add the oregano and the paprika. And like I say, if you want, change those to something that you like. I think that's a nice little combo. Yeah, with paprika, you usually get 3 types. You get hot, which is like chili, sweet, which is nice and mild, or smoked. So just be careful when you're purchasing or using any of those. Okay, mushroom time. So 300 grams here. White mushrooms, fairly chunky cut. Stay again on this nice highish heat. We might get some moisture from the mushrooms as they cook. Be back again about another 4 minutes or so. Stir in fairly often now. Beautiful, really, really good. Okay, pasta time. I'm using spaghetti. I've got about 3 cups of cooked spaghetti here. In it goes. You can use anything else you like really. Maybe some farfalle, penne, rigatoni, up to you. Couple of minutes, we're just gonna mix the two together. It's ready. I'll see you at the table. All right, and there you go. Another really simple, beautiful, vegan-friendly spaghetti there. Hope you enjoy that. Take care, keep safe. Please do take time to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. I do actually read all your comments and like to hear from you. Lots of love.